So today we celebrated the opening of the Hootlebug Trail Route 22 pedestrian bicycle bridge. It was a project far more than 10 years in the making. My role in the project was I actually, as a Greenway coordinator, implemented and facilitated the feasibility study that looked at how do we connect 135 miles plus of trails on the eastern and the western side of Blairsville into the borough of Blairsville and connect with the Blairsville Riverfront Trail.
Number one was safety, getting people, pedestrians from one side to the other. People were literally crossing 22, right through the traffic, which was not safe at all. So this actually gives an opportunity for that to happen now.
DCNR has been partnering with Indiana County for more than 30 years on the Hootlebug Trail system. We participated by funding a feasibility study that planned this route, so it explored multiple options to cross Route 22 for bikes and pedestrians. We also have funding in the design of the bridge and now, of course, with construction. So we have a long-term history of partnering with the county to make this happen.
I don't know that people know enough about how the amount of expertise and advice and guidance and direction that DCNR is able to provide. The brain trust there, the amount of experience that those folks have, advisors have in navigating these kinds of projects, it really is priceless.
But it also attracts tourism to your county and your community. And that's something that I think is very important for locals to remember, that even if you don't want to use the trail system, you're bringing in people from out of the area, hours away, days away. People plan vacations around where they go to ride on a trail system or visit a green space. And there are statistics that show property values next to trails even increase. So it's not out of the realm of possibility that we would see some type of growth coming from an investment in a trail system, and there are studies that show that.
The word finally really is the true meaning to sum this whole thing up. Many years, hard work, sleepless nights, at the end of the day, finally, it's here.
1,